Hello everyone. So previously we have seen what is the difference between a monolithic architecture and microservices architecture, and then we went through the microservices architecture, and then after that we have seen different ways of creating a Spring Boot application so that we can create different microservices. So in this tutorial we'll see about two different microservices. One is department service, another one is the user service. So how we have created that department service and how we create a user service, and then how we interact from user service the department service to get some data or department data for the user. So we'll see. Just I have created already the program for that, and if you see, so first we have the Spring Boot application, and then we have created a controller. So in the controller, I have given as a departments as a request mapping, and I have two methods. One is saving the department and finding the department by ID. So for saving the department, I have used a post mapping. So the department is the request body, we can say. If you open the department, these are the parameters I have used. One is the department ID, department name, department address, and department code. And then after saving it, we see whatever we have saved. So we are getting by find department by ID. With the help of department ID, we'll get all the details of the department. So that is a get mapping. And so after this controller, we have to create a service. So if you see here, this service I have created a department service. In that I'm calling the save department. So we have in the repository, we have the predefined method, that is save method in the JPA repository, and we have the predefined method like find by department, find by ID, but we want find by department ID. So that's why we have created a method for department by ID. And you can look into the repository how we have created it. You can see I've created a repository interface which is extending the JPA repository, which takes a department as one input and long. So this long is nothing but the department ID. You can see I've annotated it with @repository. It's mandatory to annotate with @repository. And this is a method find by department ID. So whatever the department ID I have created, so that department details will be fetched by using department ID. So we have seen this department service as well. And next, we have to look into the application.yaml file. So for this service, I have given the port number as 91111. So when we start this service, this microservice will run on this port. And then for current situation, like I have used DH2 database, so I have that dependency got added in this pom.xml. We can see the department S2 database related dependency got added in the pom.xml, and so that's what we have entered. Those details like the default URL, password, and username, everything. So then just we'll run this Java application. So we'll, as a Spring Boot, we can say it's an embedded Tomcat server will be there, right? So when we run as a Java application, just enter the Spring Boot application related file and run it. So the Spring Boot will get run into a system, and we can see this department service running on this port number 91111. So you can see Tomcat has started with port 91111. So just I will open the Postman and I'll test this particular service. So I already written a JSON data. So this is a post service, and we are having the, if you go to the controller, you can see the department service, and we are saving the department with request body is the department. You can see here given the department ID, department name, department address, and department code. And in the body, you just enter this JSON data, select it as JSON and raw data, and execute this.